What is a peer-reviewed article? Peer-reviewed articles are considered the best resources for academic research. They undergo a rigorous review process to ensure their suitability for publication. Experts in the field review the accuracy, validity, and quality of the research, methodology, procedures, and conclusions. Only articles that meet these standards of quality are approved for publication. Because this process is so rigorous, any article in a peer-reviewed journal is a reliable resource for academic research. You can identify a peer-reviewed article by looking for a few key qualities. First, it contains citations and references to other scholarly works. Second, the author is an expert in the field. Third, the journal is an academic or professional publication. Fourth, the topic of the article is specific and explored in depth. Fifth, you found the article through an academic database. The Shapiro Library website is a great place to start finding peer-reviewed research. Using databases. The Shapiro Library website provides you access to hundreds of scholarly journals and academic databases. That amount of material can be overwhelming, so you'll want to narrow your search to find the most relevant resources for your topic. Let's say you're researching water conservation methods and need to find a scholarly article that's less than 5 years old. We have a variety of methods to find information on this topic. First, you can use the search bar of Shapiro Library landing page and type in keywords. This search returned nearly 300,000 results. This many results indicates that we need to narrow our search. Use the tools on the left side of the screen to refine the results. Remember that the article needs to be recent, published within the last 5 years. The results we see on the screen here range from 1883 through 2017, so the majority of these articles are much too old. Use the arrow on the left to limit the date to 2011 and later. We also need the article to be from a scholarly journal, so check the box for peer-reviewed scholarly. With just these two adjustments, we've narrowed the options considerably. Now there are 63,000 results. That's still a lot, so we can narrow our search even further by adding keywords to get more specific focused articles. Entering search terms. The advanced search term options allows you to enter multiple search terms, which will provide you with a more manageable number of results that are closely related to your topic. Start with your research question when selecting search terms. What problem are you investigating? Identify keywords and phrases from your question. We have a very broad topic of water conservation, but that can contain a number of subtopics. Let's say we want to investigate water conservation as a component of urban planning. We can add urban planning as a search term in the search bar at the top of the screen, just underneath our primary search on water conservation. This narrows the results to just under 1,200. If our research question is focused on finding sustainable solutions to water conservation, we can add the sustainability as a search term. Now we only have 250 results. Continue to adjust your search terms as you see the results change getting closer to your specific research topic.